Okay, you want to slant the knife, slant when you cut around in a circle so the top won't cave in. Here's my crow, and then I just drew it on with a pen, and I cut it out, and it was just a piece of paper, and then I put the piece of paper on a thicker piece of paper, then it's easier to trace. Ice cream scoop, it works really good. So you want to go horizontal and vertical evenly. Then, okay, so I've cut the circle all the way around with my Exacta blade, and then I'll just cut a shape out and then pop it out, and I'm keeping it as flat as possible when I pop it out. Then if it's not showing through the light, then you just want to dig more out on the inside, and not so much that you destroy your design. And I used a plate around if you want to draw a circle, like for a moon, and this pen is the one I use. Check your design. I just put a light in it, and if it's not lighting up enough, then you can take out more in the background. So let's use a light.